Yeah, splits are worst map. We're better on tally. Fucking crazy.
Our tally finally improved.
Alright.
It's still kind of sus, but
Yeah, let's do snail this time.
sure. I'll ride.
Okay.
I'm
Cheese.
gonna chuck in a few berries while you guys get up, just so there's something
Okay.
happening.
I like it.
Yeah. Cheese, which gate do you want?
Left. I'll go left.
Okay.
Underneath.
That's good.
Fuck that up. Oh, fuck.
He got me.
Shit. Yeah, we got
Oh
right.
shit.
They have snail.
Fucked up again.
This is our best round ever. Non-stop snail incoming. Holy shit!
Oh no. I'm a. Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
Alright, that was stellar.
That was smooth. That went perfect. Dude, like, I fucked up the opener. I like, didn't jump in time and dive.
Good job. Of course.
I'm like, god damn it, dude. It's not even that hard
Alright.
to do either.
Cheese, let me know if you don't, if you didn't get up.
Good. We won center.
I'm not up. They're going 2. Oh my god, they got 2.
Yeah, they have 2.
Wow. Push me.
Oh my god.
Our beacon's way better though.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Fucking shit.
That's fuck.
Go to care of my wave. Fucking hero that.
We have 2 left. Oh damn.
I'm up.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm lagging everywhere now. And I'm down. Oh my god. What is happening, dude?
No, dude. We had 2 berries. Fuck. They were all berries. We had 2 berries, dude.
That was ridiculous. I was like, one swoop, okay. I survived. Let's try it again. I survived. Alright, let's try it again. Die.
Are we doing 2 up?
Yeah, let's go 2 up. Yeah, why not?
Alright, I'm going rat.
Alright.
Everyone quit.
You're burying me.
Okay, well, we're getting ledged on top, and miraculously they're getting them all in despite us having a ledger and them not. So,
I'm not up.
Alright, we have 2 up now.
I'm up.
Andres is up at top.
I
Careful, be careful.
I'm one shield sword. I'm one shield sword.
Took out Andres. Yes! Yes!
shit.
And wow, microwave took me out. 3
Alright,
seconds.
so you got a mace coming? Mace coming right now? Oh, wait, what the fuck? You went speed?
Shit, I'm down. Yeah, cheese.
Our ecom's destroying them, though?
Shit.
Because
There's so many berries down here. I can't resist. I got 3 in, but I'm down.
Alright,
I'm up.
We have 2 up, 2 up.
We got
Andres
2
is up at
maces.
top right now. Oh, took them all out! Let's go, bottoms,
And I'm
bottoms
dead.
clear.
Andres is still an issue. Andres is still an issue.
Bottoms are clear. Took out microwave again. He's on last. Let's go.
We're
done.
1 out. We're done.
Yes!
Nice.
Dude, they were perfectly lined up vertically for me when I dove. It was awesome. I didn't even have to do that. I just dove on 1. I'm like, oh, cool. Free kill. Got microwave too.
Alright. I'll get rid of the middle berries and then get up mid.
Cool.
I'm going right.
Alright, you want to try 3 go? Go.
No. Too late.
He's dead. Alright, you're dead. Alright, no one got up.
holding this one. I did my best.
Ariko's going good.
Yeah, actually, it's surprising.
Dead. Someone two. We have 6 berries left, but we should go snail now.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm
He's
dead.
dead. He's on last.
We're one.
Alright, Snack's dead. Get up.
I'm up.
Alright, cool. Snail time. Speed,
Alright,
speed,
escort
speed,
me.
speed. Cool. Okay, alright.
Why snail? I mean, we.
So that's what Void does. They get up
Hmm.
berries, and then as soon as a ledge happens, then they go snail. And then they push the snail really far, and then the other team's forced to do snail, and then they go berries,
Dude.
and the berries win.
Like, they weren't even ledging me.
Oh, okay.
They were just. Yeah. I had like a
Oh
clear
no, yeah.
path.
If they're ledging
Yeah.
hard, that's when we switch,
Mm.
right? Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Playing one-handed, this game's too easy.
Alright, they got double
Alright.
maces.
Okay.
We're 2 swords.
Triple
And-
mace, I think.
Take him out.
Oh.
3. We're 3?
They're double mace.
Oh wait.
He's on
I thought
last.
they were 3.
No, we're 3, but he's on last. Oh, well, that's
Nice.
okay. Alright, well, that was, let's check. Yep. 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 Yep, I just checked. Yep, that's how you do it. Yep. Nice fucking kill, Cheeseman. That was sick.
That was great, dude.
Thank
that was
you.
amazing. Did we just
I feel like I got a really good